Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is fairest of them all?
Ravenna is the evil queen, played by Charlize Theron.
The queen is death. She has no heart.
Ravenna's mission really is to live within the greatest means of power.
She's the darkness within us all.
You are the fairest, but there is another destined to surpass you. Snow White.
Bring me the king's daughter.
What does she want from me?
You beating heart.
Ravenna and Snow White are bound in a way.
I should have killed her when she was a child.
Snow White's escaped. The queen promises the huntsman something very valuable if he sets off on the mission to capture Snow White.
Hunt her down.
And if I refuse?
To his knees.
As an outsider, I see her as all of the things that the audience will.
Such beauty. But how strong is your heart?
But as an insider playing her, I had to not think about those things.
She's perfect to play the queen because she's got this presence.
She has this icy cold kind of evil stare that she throws at you.
She can level you.
You know, I wouldn't want to fight her.
When you come across a part like that, you take advantage of it.